Hi, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to download Xbox 360 games and Wii games, and I'm going to show you how to get them downloaded games onto discs ready to play on your console. Okay, for the downloading the games we're going to be using things called torrents, and for those of you out there who don't know about torrents, I'm going to do my best to explain about them in this tutorial. Okay, first things first, you're going to need to install a BitTorrent client on your computer. If you don't have one installed, follow the next steps to get one installed onto your computer. Okay, so open up your internet browser and type in your address bar www.utorrent.com. Click on download and then scroll down till you see get uTorrent. Click there and then run. Okay, install. Now go and have a look at your desktop and you should have an icon, a green icon with a U in the middle. That means you've installed uTorrent. Okay, now you're going to need to know where to get your torrent game files. So I'm going to take you to the site that I use. You don't have to use this site, you can use any site you like. I'm just going to use this for the tutorial. Okay, to type in your browser again, www.thepiratesbay.org. Okay, click on Browse Torrents, and on your right hand side you see games and the categories underneath. I'm just going to download a Wii game to show you how this works. Okay, click on the green arrow to download and save to your desktop. Okay, this is just a torrent file you've downloaded. It's not the actual game itself, it's just a torrent file. Okay, so go back to your desktop and now you see the uTorrent icon with the name of the game underneath it. Okay, that's your torrent file. So double click that and it will launch uTorrent. Okay, at the top it says save as. This is where you need to remember where to save your game file and where you saved it, because I have hundreds of emails of people saying to me, where's my game gone, where's my game gone. I don't know, it's up to you where to save it. Okay, so click on the little box next to it with the three dots, okay, and it asks you where you want to save it. So I'm just going to save it to my documents. Okay, click OK. And now at the top it says the name of the game, the size, the percentage complete, downloading it says, and it says your download speed. Okay, and in the middle you're going to see seeds and peers. This is where you need to listen if you don't know about torrents. Okay, seeds are people that have already downloaded the game and are now uploading the game data to you. Okay, peers are the people that are also downloading data from the seeds. So if you've got like 500 peers and 10 seeds, then 500 peers are all going to be taking data from them seeds, and you're only going to get a tiny little bit each. Okay, so you're going to get really download speeds slow, your slow download speeds. Okay, if you've got loads of seeders and less peers, obviously the seeders are going to be giving more data to the peers. You're going to get a bigger load of data at one time because there's less of you. Okay, so more seeders, faster download speeds. Always remember, more seeders, less peers. Okay, you remember that, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to close this down. Okay, now once your game's downloaded, finished downloaded, and you remembered where it's saved to, go there, and 99% of the time you're going to see a bunch of files, 70, 80, sometimes 100 files. Okay, and you're going to be confused, you're not going to know what they are, but these are RAR files. Okay, you need to install a software called WinRAR, which you can download from the address on your screen now. Okay, once that's installed, all them files that you downloaded in the game folder are now going to have an icon of 3 books. Okay, first click one of them icons with the 3 books and it will open WinRAR. Okay, and inside WinRAR you're going to see 2 files if it's an Xbox 360 game and 1 file if it's a Wii game. Okay, but both games, Xbox 360 and Wii, will have an ISO. Okay, which is going to be the file inside WinRAR which is the largest in size. Okay, so just drag that large file onto your desktop and now you have the ISO file onto your desktop. Okay, you're going to need the ISO file on your desktop to be able to burn the game to disk, which I'm going to show you how to do in this next step. Okay, but first things first, you're going to need software to burn the games to disk. Okay, so get the software from this address that's coming up on the screen now. Okay, so once you're there, you're going to see this. Okay, Cookies Game Burner. This game burner will burn any game, Xbox 360, Wii, PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PC games, Dreamcast, it burns them all. For £5, it is worth every penny. Okay, you don't have to enter any settings like all the other game burning softwares. You just select your ISO file, click burn, and that's it. It's done. Okay, so once you've got the software and it's installed, which I'm going to show you how to install it now. Okay, let's just click next, 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 all the way through. Okay, I'm going to launch it. Okay, now it's open. At the top, it says please select the game file. Okay, so this is where you're going to select your ISO file. I haven't saved one to my desktop, but I have one saved in my documents. So I'm just going to quickly choose grid to show you how this works. Okay, so now it says D wherever your game file was saved and the game file ISO. Okay, and down here you've got test mode or verify. If this is the first time you're burning a game and you're not confident, just click verify. What this does is once the game's burnt, it goes through the disk again just to double check everything's burnt properly. Okay, over here you've got your burn speeds. Come standard with 4 times. I recommend you leave it at 4 times. If you want to go a bit faster, you can go all the way up to whatever your disk drive is capable of burning. Okay, but I'd recommend you leave it at 4. Any faster, sometimes you get disk error reading on your computer. Okay, here you see a black Xbox 360 and a black Wii. Okay, they will turn white once you insert your blank disc. I'm not going to insert a blank disc for the tutorial because it's a waste of a disc. But once you insert your blank disc, they turn white and you will be able to click them. Just click on them. The game will then be burnt to disk. Just take the disc out, put it in your console, and you're ready to play. Okay, and that's as simple as that. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. I try to explain what I can about everything. Any more questions, feel free to email me or send me a message on YouTube. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and please keep checking back for future releases. Thank you.